Destroying state property and fleeing. Comment below. Let us know what you think regarding the subject matter at hand. So, Mr. Victor Sánchez asks, on one occasion I crashed and destroyed a highway ad. All right. I left the place because I was scared and I was drunk. Leaving the motorway, I passed a red light. Suddenly, a police officer stopped me and saw that my vehicle was hit. He told me to tell him the truth, and I ended up telling him what happened and was arrested. Now I have a hearing in court. Yeah, this could be kind of serious. Now, fortunately, you hit an ad. You didn't hurt another human being. If you would have done that, those would be felonies. In this case, it would have been a felony hit and run and a felony DUI, which each would potentially carry up to 3 years of state prison, each one of them separately. Obviously, if you cause somebody great bodily injury or death, well, the punishment would be far worse. But since it was just a property damage, you're going to have to pay a bunch of money in restitution, but at least it's not going to add to the charges. Now, in terms of the hit and run, even though you didn't hurt anybody, you still damaged some property, you left the scene. This is still a violation of California Vehicle Code Section 20002, which carries up to 6 months in the county jail. On top of that, you have the DUI, which also carries up to 6 months in the county jail, but it also carries a 6-month license suspension. And it's going to be very, very important that the DMV is contacted within 10 days of the date of the hearing in order to request an administrative hearing to determine whether or not the suspension or revocation of your license is justified. At the hearing, the DMV is going to have to show all of the following 3 things to be able to suspend your license. Number 1, they have to show that the police officer had the right to pull you over or to stop the vehicle, regardless of which one is applicable. Number 2, they have to show that the police officer adequately arrested you and identified you. And finally, 3, they have to show that you were driving with a blood alcohol level of 0.08 or more. Those are the 3 things that they would have to show. If they can't show those 3 things, they wouldn't be able to suspend your license. However, if they can show those 3 things, they can suspend your license for up to 6 months, assuming it's your first offense. But you can still get a restricted license to be able to drive from home to work and for your necessities. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677 on our next video. We're going to be discussing somebody who is trying to hide evidence. Have a good day.